Black LGBTQ history in Colorado is not often well known. But Black LGBTQ history is as old as Africa and all of human history itself. As long as there have been humans, there have been LGBTQ people. In Colorado, we know about the stories of Buffalo Soldiers and of people like Kathy Williams, who are new to the study of history. We know about Queer Five Points and the witnesses of this, like Hattie McDaniel and the female impersoner Andrew Tribble. We know about famous Black attorneys like Wendell Sayers, who was closeted his whole life. We know about the cluster of same-sex couples around the Rossonian Hotel itself in the 1920s, 30s, 40s, and 50s. We know about the queer artists who came through Five Points in the 1940s, 50s, 60s, and 70s, like Tiny Davis, or Billy Strayhorn, or Billie Holiday, or Stormy DeLaVarriere. We often don't talk about our own stories, the stories of people who, like A.C. Glenn, transformed history just by presenting themselves to the Denver City Council in 1973, wearing women's clothing to protest anti-cross-dressing laws. But even more so, we don't talk about the stories in the HIV/AIDS crisis or the nonprofits and the spaces of Black LGBTQ history in Colorado. This is about to change. We invite you to a workshop to talk about the importance of community engagement and to talk about the financial benefits of LGBTQ landmarking. We're going to talk about what not simply the process is, but other historic sites, including Black LGBTQ sites, which have never been talked about before. These are the stories. We make and shape them through art, but it's important that we name and preserve the spaces going forward. We hope that you'll join us on December 6th, 2025 at the Blair Caldwell Library from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. to learn about Black LGBTQ history, to help name places for historical landmarking, and learn about the process, the resources, and the financial benefits. Thank you.